Welcome to Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the Sync Reviews functionality. Go to the Account section and navigate to the specific account for which you want to sync reviews. Click on Sync Now and wait for the data synchronization to complete. Once the sync is finished, the reviews will be updated with the latest information, including review, star ratings, or other relevant updates. You will also receive an automated email notification whenever a new review is received. That's it for Sync Now functionality in Smart Showcase for Google Reviews Pro. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at the plugin's insightful dashboard. Be sure to check the full documentation or reach out to support if you need any assistance.